Guys, check natin kung ano yung mga companies na pwede tayong maglagay, no? And we can still earn from the dividends. So, this is COL Financial. Punta lang kayo dito sa research, then fundamentals, then investment guide. Ayan. So, yan. Kompleto na yung mga detalye dyan. And yan, check natin, no? So, and pili tayo ng kung ano yung mataas na dividend dyan. So, ito may 6.4, 6.7 sa banking, which is East West and Metro Bank. Ayan, East West and Metro Bank mataas. And also PNB. Ayan, Bloomberry, wala. Kasi lugi yan eh. ICT, mataas din. Manila Water, ayan. So, since this is a defensive stocks, no? And also Petron. Ayan, so stagnant yan. Pero it's on a buy rating kasi yun nga, dividend play yan. So yun lang, punta lang kayo dito sa research, then fundamentals, investment guide. So make sure na nakapag gawa na kayo ng account dyan sa COL Financial. And also I invite you to join the Truly Rich Club. So there we teach you how exactly you can trade or invest in the stock market. So yan, so napakarami. Yan, kung dividend play ka talaga, ito meron dito ng DMCI, which is I was also invested before. Ayan, so stable naman ang ano yan, ang price niyan. It's not giving that much when it comes to price appreciation, pero it gives us a dividend yield of 8.1%. So accumulation yan, and then wait nyo lang, tumataas naman yan, and it's still undervalued, no? Yan. So meron pa dito Pure Gold, ayan, napakataas, 5.3. so ito mga to, no, yan, 12.4 Semirara. This is a mining company, and yun nga, mataas siya, no? Okay, so meron din dito, ayan, TEL, PLDT, ayan, so one of my favorite din, gives us 8% dividend yield. So instead of you putting your money in the bank, I can put it here. Yan. And this one, PLDT, may upside pa, no? So let's take a closer look. Current price is 1,250. You can buy until bago mag 1,770 or sorry, 1,475. Yan, pwede pa kayo mag-buy, cost average nyo hanggang sa umabot siya dyan sa 1,475. Pag umabot na siya dyan, tigil nyo, wait nyo itong 1,770, then you get